Blockchain technology. The inverse relationship between technology and cybercrimes at an accelerated pace is no more a concealed narrative. Though we are primed to embrace inventions, the unsettling question about safety when it comes to human privacy lingers in our minds. We celebrate advancements in technology but have sleepless nights pondering on technology that wreaks havoc. But all of this has a cure-all with the advent of blockchain technology, the perfect guardian. The angst that consumed any tech-savvy person was how the deployment of AI gadgets could engender hacking of sensitive information. However, this phobia has been put to rest by blockchain technology that curbs any form of technical breach. So let's now get started with this compelling course that has enamored so many people: blockchain technology. The use of blockchain extends beyond cryptocurrency and has a growing list of applications across industries such as banking and finance, supply chain management, and healthcare, mainly because of its secure and immutable feature to store and access data. This is a video from College Suggest. Know your course, know your career. In this video, let's delve deeper into the fundamentals of this stimulating course: computer science and engineering with a specialization in blockchain technology. Before we go any further into the video, let's understand the term blockchain technology. Blockchain technology is an operation that saves transactional data, also known as the block, into several databases known as the chain, in a network connected through sharing nodes. Typically, this system for storing is referred to as a digital ledger. All of this with security features like anonymity, confidentiality, integrity, and transparency. By 2022, 10% of companies are predicted to achieve any transformation employing blockchain, and at least one business built on blockchain technology innovation will be worth $10 billion. By 2026, the business value added by blockchain is predicted to grow over $360 billion. Then by 2030, the deal is expected to skyrocket to a colossal $3.1 trillion. In a Tech Republic research study, 70% of professionals responded saying their interaction with the blockchain was limited. 64% of people said that they envisage blockchain to affect their industry in many ways and predict a positive result. Now, how do you kickstart your career in blockchain technology? Simply fulfill the eligibility criteria of a minimum 60% aggregate marks in Class 10 and Class 12 to be placed in a fine institution. Students should also have a valid score in their entrance examination. According to a TechCrunch report, blockchain-related jobs are the second fastest growing in today's labor market. There are now 14 job openings for every one blockchain developer. To make your dream a reality, grab a seat in one of these colleges that provide blockchain technology in India as a specialization to engineering. The top names on this list are as follows: SRM University, Sonipat; University of Petroleum and Energy Studies or UPES, Bennett University, Chitkara University, CT University, Sharda University, Ajinkya D.Y. Patil University, and finally Presidency University. These colleges provide a separate specialization for blockchain technology, whereas most others have it as a core subject in the EEE stream. Crypto exchange platform WazirX has seen its monthly trading volume grow in July 414% to $168 million compared to its numbers in February. The now monthly sign-ups in July have also grown by 290% from that of February. Let's now move into the fee structure of this lucrative field. The average course fees charged in India is approximately Rs 6 lakhs for the course. And the average salary for a fresher is 8 lakhs per annum, which means that you can earn back your fee amount in less than a year. A plethora of novel exchanges and other crypto platforms are also opening up in India, ushering an inflow of global exchanges, launching India-specific platforms, which could lead to a surge in employment opportunities. This means an exciting time for students to explore career paths at a nascent stage that could improve their career progression exponentially when the industry eventually booms. Here are some of the required skills if you want to pursue blockchain technology. It is essential to have excellent programming skills, experience with cryptography and specific blockchain protocols. As a blockchain developer, one should also have strong analytical abilities. And finally, effective communication skills, as blockchain professionals work with engineers and other technical personnel to develop streamlined solutions. A keyword search on Naukri.com currently showed about 20,500 blockchain-related jobs in its portal, while LinkedIn India has over 900 such jobs. As per a recent LinkedIn report, blockchain tops the list of the most in-demand hard skills for 2020, overtaking last year's skills like cloud computing, artificial intelligence, and analytical reasoning. Here are some of the names of top-notch recruiters where you can be placed: PricewaterhouseCoopers, Ernst & Young, Deloitte, KPMG, IBM, Accenture, Pernova, Capgemini, Applied Blockchain, BTL. WazirX has partnered with 5 edtech companies including Indian Blockchain Institute, Quorum 8, Zubi, Qualkey Academy, and InBlocks Academy. CoinSwitch currently runs a campus ambassador program across 40 colleges in India and is rapidly expanding the scope of the program. CoinDCX recently launched DCX Learn, a free online platform where Indians can access a plethora of resources to navigate the crypto economy. To be recruited by these companies, there are a myriad of responsibilities to keep in mind, and some of them are as follows. Blockchain developers or professionals are responsible for the overall blockchain applications right from research to operations. Blockchain experts create interfaces, develop features, and a system for different purposes using different programming languages. By building a blockchain infrastructure, experts set up security measures to protect information against cyber attacks. These professionals usually work in technology service consultancies dealing with data. As the crypto industry continues to edge towards maturity, several new job profiles are being created as well. Roles like exchange fund managers, blockchain engineers, wallet engineers, community managers, and crypto economists will be in high demand. Let's now look at the salary package. A software developer makes 5.1 lakhs. Senior software engineer, 7.98 lakhs. Software programmer, 5 lakhs. Software engineer, 8.5 lakhs. Software architect, 20 lakhs. Technical architect, 10 lakhs. IT consultant, 2 lakhs. Tech consultant, 20 lakhs. Systems analyst, 4.15 lakhs. Software development manager, 30 lakhs. Associate software engineer, 5.07 lakhs. Solutions architect, 30 lakhs. If you look at entry-level jobs and their average salaries, a student can earn back his or her paid college fees in about a year. Bengaluru, the tech hub of India, has the most opportunities for blockchain experts. It accounts for almost 36% of all jobs in the blockchain tech market in India. This city is closely followed by Mumbai, Hyderabad, Pune, and Chennai. The term blockchain developer has topped LinkedIn's recently published list of the top 5 emerging careers in 2018. According to a NASSCOM report, only 1 out of 400 software graduates can perform blockchain functions, meaning that the demand for skilled blockchain technologists is growing. Therefore, studying this field requires smart work. What is the course that you want to pursue next? Tell us and we will give you all the information you need. If you like this video, do give us a thumbs up. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and for more information, visit collegesuggest.com.